The message of Hajj, the annual pilgrimage to Mecca, holds deep spiritual significance for Muslims around the world. It is a journey that carries profound messages of unity, humility, and devotion. By participating in the rituals of Hajj, Muslims seek to strengthen their relationship with Allah, God, purify their souls, and embrace the core principles of Islam. Here, we will explore the key messages of Hajj in detail. Unity and equality. One of the central messages of Hajj is the importance of unity and equality among Muslims. During Hajj, millions of Muslims from diverse backgrounds, cultures, and nationalities come together in Mecca, dressed in simple white garments known as ihram. The uniform attire signifies that all pilgrims are equal before Allah, regardless of their social status or wealth. This collective gathering emphasizes the universal brotherhood and sisterhood of Islam, breaking down barriers of race, nationality, and class. Submission to Allah. Hajj is an act of ultimate submission to the will of Allah. Pilgrims leave their homes, families, and worldly possessions behind to embark on this spiritual journey. By performing the rituals of Hajj, they demonstrate their complete surrender and devotion to Allah. This submission reinforces the concept of Tawheed, the oneness of Allah, and the acknowledgement that everything in the universe is under Allah's control. Spiritual cleansing and forgiveness. Hajj serves as a means of spiritual purification and seeking forgiveness. It is an opportunity for Muslims to repent for their past sins and seek Allah's mercy. The rituals of Hajj, such as the tawaf, circumambulation, around the Kaaba, the sa'i, running, between the hills of Safa and Marwa, and the standing at Arafat, are all symbolic acts of seeking forgiveness and purification. Pilgrims aim to leave Hajj with a renewed sense of spirituality and a clean slate. Sacrifice and selflessness. Another message of Hajj is the importance of sacrifice and selflessness. During Hajj, pilgrims participate in the ritual of Qurbani, animal sacrifice, commemorating the obedience and sacrifice of the Prophet Ibrahim, alayhis salam, when he was willing to sacrifice his son Hazrat Ismail alayhis salam for Allah's command. This act serves as a reminder of the willingness to give up something valuable for the sake of Allah and to serve others. Additionally, pilgrims often engage in acts of charity and service during Hajj, demonstrating the spirit of selflessness and compassion. Patience and endurance. Hajj can be physically and mentally challenging. The crowded conditions, long hours of standing, and demanding rituals test the pilgrim's patience and endurance. This aspect of Hajj reinforces the message of perseverance and resilience in the face of hardships. Muslims are reminded to remain steadfast in their faith, trust in Allah's guidance, and endure the difficulties they encounter during the pilgrimage. Reflection and contemplation. The atmosphere of Hajj encourages deep reflection and contemplation. Pilgrims detach themselves from worldly distractions and focus on their relationship with Allah. The time spent in prayer, supplication, and recitation of the Quran allows pilgrims to introspect, seek spiritual guidance, and gain a deeper understanding of themselves and their purpose in life. Hajj becomes a transformative experience that promotes self-reflection and spiritual growth. The message of Hajj resonates not only with Muslims but also holds valuable lessons for people of all faiths. It emphasizes the importance of unity, equality, submission to a higher power, selflessness, endurance, and reflection. Through the universal values it embodies, Hajj serves as a powerful reminder of the shared humanity and the pursuit of spiritual enlightenment and righteousness. Like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos.